Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cool Tech channel. In today's video I am going to address an error message that you may have potentially run into, and I have run into a couple of times working in the field. And the error basically says when you're trying to install an application like run an executable in Windows, you get an error message that says the app you're trying to install isn't a Microsoft verified app. So you try to run your executable and you keep running into this roadblock. So here's how to fix this error. You're going to go to your search field in the lower left hand corner or in the middle if you're using a different layout, if it's Windows 11. And you're going to search for apps, and it's the apps and features option in system settings is what we're looking for. And once you're here, you're going to change this option right here under where it says installing apps only from Microsoft Store helps protect your device. Right underneath that, you're going to change it from the recommended, if it's on the recommended, or if it's on some other option. Basically change it to anywhere, and do this at your discretion. Again, make sure that whatever you're installing or running is safe and you've done your due diligence to make sure that it's not going to infect your device or cause any issues for you. That's on you. Make sure you've done your research and diligence or due diligence on this. But once you've changed this option here and you've allowed anywhere, then you should be able to run your executable. And that's basically how to fix that. Thank you guys, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow for more content. And until next time, take care everybody. Bye.